haul video. If you're watching me for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon next to it so that whenever I upload any new video, you are the first one to get notified. Today it's going to be an Ajio haul, and this is the first time I shopped from Ajio. I have not got a lot of stuffs. I have a few stuffs with me. Some of them are mine and some of them are my mom's, and I'm going to show you all of them. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first thing which I'm going to show you all is a dress by Ajio. This dress is peach in color and it has this crisscross detailing in the front, and it also has a cutout in the back. The material of this dress is really good. It's really comfortable. I have worn this once and I have worn this for a really long time, and I can assure you that this material won't give you any irritation on your skin. I'm really satisfied with this dress. The fitting of this dress is also really good. I got this in size small, and now I'll show you how this dress fits me. So let's go. I'm back, and now I'm going to show you another dress which is one of my favorites. This is in the royal blue color. The color is so beautiful. I mean, I'm in love with this color. The color is so rich, and this is a bodycon dress. It has ruching at the sides, which makes it look so damn beautiful. I've also worn this dress once, so the material of this dress is also really great, and I think I'm really happy with the purchase of this dress. The fitting of the dress is also really nice, and I also got this one in size small, and now I'm going to wear this one and I'm going to show you all how this dress fits me. So let's go. I'm going to show you is not a clothing item, but it's a bag. It's a sling bag from the brand Baggett. It is black in color, and black goes with almost all our outfits. So if you have this one bag, I think you are sorted. This has a transparent strap over here. I don't know if it's properly visible on camera or not, but the transparent strap makes it look super classy. Also, the bag is circular in shape, which makes it so different from other sling bags. And it is quite spacious too. It has one big compartment over here in which you can keep your mobile phone, your charger, your wallet, even a hand sanitizer, and you can also keep a small water bottle. There is a compartment over here in which there is a transparent part in which there is hard detailings. There are some glitter detailings over here. It is written, "Do you love what you do?" I think I'm in love with this bag. This bag is so pretty, so different, so classy. It would go with even casual outfits and also with some dressy outfits. This bag is also available in a beautiful pink color, so make sure you check this out. So I'm done with all my stuffs now, and now I'm going to show you all my mom has got from Ajio. So the first stuff which I'm going to show you is a beautiful maxi dress from the brand UNF. This dress is black in color and it has floral prints. The dress has also ribbons at the back to tie them. My mom has worn this once and she really loved it. The quality of this dress is also really nice. The material is polyester, but it is really soft and it won't irritate you. So I think you should go for this dress, and this dress is bought in the size XXL. So the next product which I'm going to show you is also a maxi dress from the same brand UNF. This dress is in the bright red color. This has polka dot prints which makes it look so cute. This has bell sleeves. The material is also polyester, but the material is really soft. This also has ribbons at the back. This dress is so pretty and my mom also loved this dress. So now I'll show you guys how my mom looked after wearing this one. So let's go. So now I'm going to show you a beautiful kurta which my mom has got from Ajio. This kurta is from the brand Avasa. The color is so subtle and it is so peaceful to the eyes. This is a beautiful baby pink color and it has prints in white all over it. This kurta has 3/4 sleeves and the print is so minimalistic and so beautiful, and the material of this kurta is also really soft and it is like a fluid material. So now I'm going to show you a clip that how my mom looks after wearing this kurta. Show you another kurta. So this kurta is from the brand Fusion. This is a sleeveless kurta and it has geometric prints all over it. This also has a very minimalistic design and this is simple yet beautiful. The buttons are something to look out for. I really love them. And one more thing which is an added advantage is that they have give the sleeves attached over here. So if you are someone who is not comfortable wearing sleeveless, you can easily get the sleeves attached to it. This kurta is something which you can easily wear on casual outings, even for a daily wear. So this is something you should really go for. The material is also really good and make sure you check this out. And now I'll show you the clip of how my mom looks after wearing this. So let's go. But last but not the least, I'm going to show you another stuff which I have here. This is not a clothing item, but this is a wallet which my mom got. This is from the designer brand Satyapal. This is, I think, from his spring summer 2020 collection, because I saw this first on Satyapal's website itself, and then I got this from Ajio. This has a really subtle color. It has floral prints. My mom loves floral prints, and the inside of this wallet is just like any other regular wallet. You have spaces to keep your credit card, debit card, your coins, your cash. This is such an amazing piece. I hope you liked watching this video. Please give it a like, share it with your friends so that they can also shop their heart out in this ongoing festive season. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon next to it. Tell me in the comment section below what do you think of this video and what more do you want to watch on my channel. Until next time, bye bye.